this fees or like stipend or scholarship, can you elaborate on this thing?
Fees is not much for PhD here. It's just 15,000 for 1 year. Since I'm living in hostel inside the campus, it's very cheap. I have to pay just 5,000 per month, and
Mm-hmm.
it includes both my room rent and food. So
Okay.
it totals up to 75,000 per year. And if you consider the scholarship, since you're getting admission through one of the entrance exams, you will definitely get the stipend, which is for first 2 years you will get 31,000, and the rest of the 3 years 35,000. Fees is a very small amount of your stipend, and you don't need to actually spend much from your stipend on your project, so
Mm-hmm.
you can save a lot because mostly labs get some funding. So project work is mostly handled
Yes.
by the professor and lab money.
Yes.
So 31,000 for a single person living in a hostel is, I
It's more
think,
than
enough.
enough. Yeah. Yeah.
So recently, actually, Indian government has introduced another scholarship called as PMRF,
Yes.
Prime Minister's Research Fellowship. They have started a lateral entry, and this August 2020, I got that scholarship. So
Okay.
that is a very attractive one because they give 70,000 per month
Mm-hmm.
for first 2 years,
Okay.
then 75,000 for third year, and 80,000 for the last 2 years.
Yes.
So
Yes.
from whole of India, they have chosen some particular IITs, IICs,
Yes.
ISERs,
Yes. Yes.
and they give scholarship to students from these particular colleges, and they have like 1,000 students in one selection round.
So, what is the criteria for this PMRF? I have heard about it, but I have heard that we should have some 8 point CG, or we need to have any publications in 1 year.
Publication, I mean, they recommend that if you have a publication, you have a better chance. But personally, I didn't have any publications. We have to submit a research proposal,
Okay.
2 to 3 pages.
Mm.
And actually, this time the process was very different than what usually they conduct. Because of COVID, they could not conduct in-person interviews. So they had asked everyone to submit a research proposal, a CV, and statement of purpose.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to fill all these things on a portal that they share. That criteria of 8.5 is there.
Okay.
So what they do is basically they have 1,000 students. So
Mm.
they'll tell all the institutes that from your institute you can nominate these number of students,
Yeah.
and then institute decides how to distribute those number of students within the departments.
Mm-hmm.
So first at department level, we have to get selected.
Mm-hmm.
After a department selects us, then the proposal will be sent forward to the PMRF committee. So for lateral entry, that is after I've taken admission in PhD, within since I'm direct PhD, I had 24 months before which I could apply for the scholarship.
Okay.
So 8.5 criteria was for the courses that I've completed till I was applying. Now,
Okay.
for direct entry, they have again changed the rules. I mean, even I have to ask the people who have been recently given
Join.
this PMRF, because every year they have different rules, and this PMRF has been just recently introduced in 2018.
Yes.
So
Yes.
all the rules and requirements are not very stable. So every time you are applying, you should check it out.
Okay. Okay.
This year, because they also introduced this teaching requirement, and this scholarship has many benefits. Like you have a 2 lakh contingency grant for your project per year. So you can
Okay.
buy equipment, you can buy machinery, tools, whatever consumables you need, you can buy everything. It also covers your travel expenses if you need to go for some conferences.
Okay.
and it also allows you to buy laptops,
Mm-hmm.
iPad. It's a very good and attractive scholarship for PhD students in
So
India.
this 2 lakh. This is per year or like whole PhD?
Per year, 2 lakh per year.
Okay.
For 5 years, they'll give you. Yes, so they give you one guide sheet, what all you can buy from this fund. So,
Okay.
I mean, it's quite obviously you can't buy personal things, but as long as it is related to your project and as
Research.
long as
Yeah.
your guide approves, you can buy it. So
Yeah.
those rules depend on the college also, what they are allowing.
Mm-hmm. So coming to this 8.5 CG criteria, so they will see this CG like 8.5 after 1 year or like 1.5 year.
Actually, you can apply for PMRF during the May round as well as December round. So
Okay.
one criteria they have set is you need to complete 4 courses.
Mm-hmm.
So if you apply just after the first semester and you have completed 4 courses, then they'll consider 8.5 for those 4 courses.
Okay.
I applied after 1 year and I
Okay.
had completed 8 courses by that time.
Mm-hmm.
So they'll consider all the 8 courses and the total CG that I had.
Okay.